you keep up. Boss in the market, sparking a big M badge. Uptown killer.
Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel, guys. So tonight we're gonna do a POV drive because it's been a while since I did a POV. And if y'all didn't see the video I dropped earlier with the mods I did, make sure y'all go check that out. And let's get into the video, man. Alright guys, so right now I'm about to like up onto the 95. So let's see if we could get any like random runs or we could get some content for y'all, man. And make sure y'all like, comment and subscribe, and make sure y'all watch the full video and leave a like down below because that really helps out the channel. So please like the video and watch the full video, man. And make sure y'all stay tuned for the upgraded turbo install. We just waited in like on a couple more parts right now, so bear with me guys. Slowly but surely the parts coming in. So yeah, sit back, relax and watch the full video. Damn, that shit low. Damn, that shit loud. think this V6 Challenger was trying to race me. Let's see if he trying to race. Let's see. Okay guys, so that's gonna be the end of the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and peace. I'll catch you guys in the next one.